Easy, easy, lady. Okay, Tom, can you just cover them as I take one by so they don't. Okay, easy, lady. Easy, easy, easy. Let me just remove this. Okay. Be free. She's like, what is this? And then this is the second. You are free to go as well, madam.
They're beautiful.
They're dirty. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. And then the dude. The dude is a monster.
Big boy.
Okay. Hey, 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 hey. Not behind. Yeah, like that. Go. Oh, majestic Muscovy duck. It's like, oh my god, you kept me in that box for so long. Look at me now. Okay.
Friendly with the ladies?
Apparently he's very friendly with the ladies. He's a lover, not a fighter. Okay, let's see how they did on their first night in the hostel. And by the way, sorry for the hostel conditions, ladies and gentlemen. I promise soon it will be sorted out. Please come out, please. No? Okay. And you, mademoiselles, you want to come out? Yes? Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, we have an egg. The first egg. Okay, you get out first. No? Come on. This way. This way. This way. You want to be handled? Okay. Okay, here you go. We have an egg. The first egg. Okay, Jesse, we need to go home. Come on. Come. We need to go home. Oh, it's such a long day. Such a long day of making this Jesse proof so you don't escape. You escape 3 times. Prison break, Michael Scofield. Okay, I got some toys for you because I think you escaped because you're getting bored. So I got you some toys. I hope you're gonna like them. There's some nice pine cones. Look at these pine cones and toilet rolls. No? Saint Nick brought you some presents. Yes? Saint Nick brought presents? Come. Come out. Don't push me out. You come out with me. Funky, funky, my boy. Look at this. Look at these pine cones. Look at this. Pine cones. Pine cones. So many pine cones. Pine cones. Of course, pellets.